Yung pangalan po bang Ma Dongli, lumitaw na po ba sa radar ng department?
Madam Chair, I will defer, Madam Chair, to our Acting Director Van Pongwi with the respect to, I, I, I believe it has, but
All right, let's hear it straight
I
from the
will,
acting director in charge. Yes, Acting Director Pangwi, please, if you could take the mic again. So, lumitaw na po ba sa radar nyo yung pangalang Ma Dongli?
Good afternoon, Madam Chair. The name Ma Dongli so far as for consular has not yet been raised.
Mhm.
Normally for consular, we deal, if not for passports, for visa applications, but as for info, it hasn't been raised yet.
Okay. Pero nakita nyo naman sa photos namin, sangkatutak na visas na ang natanggap nitong Ma Dongli. Tulad ng sangkatutak na visas ni Shi Zhejiang from at least 3 sources, including CESA and 2 other sources.
Yes, ma'am. We take note of this. For the information of the body, Madam Chair, the DFA only issues tourist entry visas into the country. And normally before we issue entry visas, we need to get clearance from 2 other agencies, the Bureau of Immigration and the and NICA, before we issue from our foreign service posts visas, tourist visas for entry to the Philippines. Upon entry to the Philippines, it's up to the other agencies whether they will grant other SRIVs or other visas for longer stay here in the country.
Salamat, Director Pangwi, which brings home the point again and again na ang gulo-gulo kasi ang dami-dami nating ahensyang nag-i-issue ng visas tapos walang consolidation sa database, walang checking, cross-referencing, kaya nalulusutan ang isa o ilan until it comes to an investigation like this in the Senate. Kaya matagal na ring nasisilip ng aming komite na yun yung isang remedial legislation para i-tighten at isara yung mga gaps sa ating mga institusyon at sa ating mga proseso tulad ng visa issuance. Yes, Senator Sherwin.
Madam Chair, si Ma Dongli is not, hindi siya bago sa bansa natin. In fact, checking the flights from 1995 to 2018, he traveled to the Philippines 37 times. No? And then si Shi Zhejiang, hindi na rin bago sa atin. From 2011 to 2020, he traveled to the Philippines 21 times. No? So, labas-pasok sila sa ating bansa. And we all know that si Mr. She nakulong sa Thailand for the same crimes, no? Human trafficking, scamming, and other criminal activities. Ma Dongli is a partner of Mr. She in the Yatay Myanmar company which operates yung Pogo Hub sa Myanmar. No? So, in other words, magkasama itong dalawang to. Thank you.
Thank you, Senator Sherwin. At hindi rin bago sa ating komite yung pangalang Yatay kasi yun yung pinagtrabahuan nung 11 mga Pilipinong na human traffic. Akala nila papunta silang trabaho sa Bangkok, tinraffic sila dun sa Shwe Koko region sa Myanmar, sa Yatay din. At dun sila kinailangang i-rescue noon ng mga international NGOs, mga anti-trafficking advocates sa Myanmar, Thailand border at ng ating Philippine Embassy, hindi sa Yangon pero sa Bangkok. Kasama nung ilang mga kasamahan natin dito sa Senado. So,
Madam Chair?
Yes, Senator De La Rosa.
Meron ba tayong BI dito?
Meron po. Actually, sila yung susunod na tatanungin ko. Alright,
Yes.
you may take first crack at it,
Yeah,
Senator De La Rosa.
Yeah, Madam Chair. Attorney Biado,
Yes, boss.
nakita na naman niyo yung mukha ni Madong Lee.
Yes, boss.
Yeah. I hope hindi tayo pagtatawanan nitong mga tao na ito because kung meron tayong sasabing sino bang above kay James Bond? Manood ka na sini.
Si M po, sir.
Yung above kay James Bond, yung
Si-
handler ni James Bond,
Si M.
M. Si M.
Yes po.
Kung meron man tayong may M ni James Bond, ito na yun, yung M ng China, Chinese intelligence. Sana huwag tayong pagtatawanan nito mga tao na ito pabalik-balik sa Pilipinas. Ngayon, hearing tayo. Nanonood yan ngayon, tawa yan ng tawa sa atin. Tapos mamaya, kinabukasan, it's a challenge tayo. Babiyahin na naman yan, papasok sa Pilipinas. At our expense, at our national security expense, at our national interest expense, at our national pride expense, na ginaganon tayo ng mga tao na ito. Sana kayo sa Bureau of Immigration, gawa na kagad nyo ng alert. I don't know how you do it. Basta pag makita nyo itong tao na ito na papasok sa Pilipinas, kunin nyo kaagad. I don't know how you do it. You know, kayo naman ang immigration, di ba?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Oh, kunin nyo kaagad itong tao na ito. They'll dispose a great danger to our country.
Will do po, Your Honor.
Yung tao na ito, kung meron pang mas above kay James Bond, mas mataas ito kay James Bond, siguruhin natin ito
Will do po.
para hindi tayo pagtatawanan.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Thank you, Madam Chair.
Thank you. Salamat kaayo, Senator De La Rosa. Since on board na kayo,
Yes po.
Commissioner Chair YC Viado,
Good
so,
afternoon po, Your Honor.
good afternoon. We requested po from the Bureau a copy of the flight records of Ma Dongli.
Yes po.
So do you have this with you, and can you confirm that Mr. Ma has entered the Philippines? Sasabihin ko sana more than 20 times, pero ayon kay Senator Sherwin, more than 30 times since the 1990s. Can you do you have the flight records po, and can you confirm these facts?
Yeah, I have the flight records, and previously, Your Honor, we submitted a copy to your office po, Your Honor. Ang summary po namin dito, the first arrival of Mr. Ma Dongli was in 28 May 1995.
Okay.
Ang first departure po niya was 06 November 1995.
Mhm.
Ang latest departure po niya, 27 June 2018. And latest arrival is 22 June 2018. And as per our record, he already left the country on 27 June 2018 and has not yet returned.
All right.
As to the exact number po ng times of travel po, I can give you a copy so that we can be very definitive about the number po, Your Honor.
Thank you,
Madam Chair.
Commissioner. Yes, Senator De La
I just
Rosa.
would like to advise BI
Yes po.
that itong tao na ito, kung ito'y talagang member ng Ministry of Security Services
Opo.
ng China, he can assume other identities. In fact, mayroon pa nga tayong information na may American identity pa ito siya eh. So, siguro, as far as your official record is concerned, as Madong
Lee.
Lee,
Adong Lee.
yun lang hanggang 2018. Baka hindi natin alam na pabalik-balik pa rin yan dito, assuming other identity. So, we should double time our effort here, Commissioner.
Yes po, sir. We
Thank
will
you.
attend to it right away.
Thank
And
you.
exhaust all possibilities. And thank you for that.
Salamat po, Senator De La Rosa. And Commissioner Viado,
Yes po, Your Honor.
can you also confirm na si Ma Dongli has used various visas from a CESA visa to a 9A visa to an MCL 09-006 visa. May pang-apat pa pala, EO408 visa. Can you confirm po?
We confirm that, Your Honor.
Yan po ipa-flash po namin. Ayan, ang dami-dami po.
Yung MCL po,
Mas marami pang visas kesa sa natanggap ko sa tanang buhay ko.
sa 22 June 2018, naka-MCL 09-006 po siya.
Okay.
And in 1997, meron ho siyang Special Investor Resident Visa.
Mhm. SIRV tulad ng
SIRV
meron
po.
dati si Lin Wenyi.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mhm.
And meron ho siyang CESA Visa in 2014.
Mhm. And yung 9A visa,
Yung
magkaroon
9A
din siya.
visa, meron din po siya. Your Honor.
Okay. And kung totoo po yung sinabi ni Mr. Wang Fugui sa Al Jazeera at sa Zoom interview namin, kung totoo yun, ibig sabihin, may miyembro ng Ministry of State Security ng China na nagkaroon ng multiple visas dito sa ating bansa. So, and tiningnan din po namin ang mga visa naman ni Shi Zhejiang. Ganun din. May 9A visa, may CESA visa din.
Meron po. Your Honor.
Meron din po. And
Meron po,
confirm
Your
po ng BI.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Wow.